Wow.
Oh, the Furies have come!
Oh, that is Hey everybody, we're at King's Dominion. We're going to be checking out all the different haunt mazes that they have here. Typically, I feel like this one scared me more than Busch Gardens before, but this is our third one that we've done. So I don't know. What are you thinking that this is going to be like?
I hope it's better than Hollow Scream, and I think I'm going to try to see if it's better than Scarewinds.
Yeah, Scarewinds. Will it be better than Scarewinds? That's what we're going to see today. So let's check it out. All right, already liking the theming that they have here. I feel like they do theming really well in this front area. Like I feel like they just do, I don't know, they do a decent job. Now, this going beyond the park is always kind of interesting, but looks good. Cookie butter bread. We're gonna try it, I guess. I have never tried this, but apparently other people have done it. Oh. Ooh. Wow. Stalkers, I don't know when it will open up. How is it? Is it that good?
Bro.
Really? Is it?
Oh, that is crack.
Oh,
that is so moist.
Oh, dang it. Well, let me try like a hint of it. Okay. Let's see if I like it. Wow. That is warm. It's pretty good. You can have the rest of it. I'm not gonna touch that one. Wow. You're like Smeagol right now. All right, Grain and Grill. Everybody say this is like the best place to eat at the park, but I always like, no, I don't know. Because I don't consider it the best of all the theme parks, but it actually probably is like one of the better places to eat. It's most consistent. We're back again looking at some merch. So it's pretty much the same, I guess. Yeah. The Cineslasher was that before. Yeah, the colors are nice, yeah.
What?
All right, I didn't see that one at the other one. Oh, King's Dominion, creepy vibes. It feels really weird too. That's pretty good.
So weird.
Mama monster, dad monster.
62 for
Okay, they have some certain different things. That's not bad. That's pretty much it. They don't really have that much on this one, so not bad though, not bad. The same pumpkins as Scarewinds, just different positions, except for the pumpkin looks a little sad. And then Richie's here. We gotta turn around and see. You guys, look at that. The sheriff's over there. That's insane. Okay, we're about to watch the show, so we're gonna see what happens. We have Richie and Paige back. Let's go. Should be fun. We're gonna all review the mazes together, see how it goes. So should be pretty good. I was like, where did he go? As you see, it's our matching shirts, Fury, because we are fans now, ridiculous fans of it.
I've never
so
ridden.
Thinking good. You never ridden Fury? Never? Not 40 times in a day?
No, that wasn't me. Overlord, that's what he's called.
Oh, wow. All the scare people. What an entrance, guys.
I like that bush thing.
Oh, it begins. Okay, our first one of the day, Monstercon. So Monstercon was actually pretty good last time. I enjoyed it a lot, and so we're gonna see how this one goes. I think we have to go to the back of the entrance. All right, we are gonna be using 88 today, only because of my back wise and waiting in the line. So we're gonna see how that works out. Should be pretty interesting. But we're about to go to some scare places. I'm pretty stoked. Why was that so good? That's the level that I really wanted. That's the level of stuff that I'm like, yes, this is good. This is how it should be. This is. I got scared. I got a little scared at one moment, which was really cool, a jump scare. So, gosh, man, King's Dominion does this really well. I think this is better than some of the Scarewind ones. And there's no pre-show. There was no pre-show. Gosh, you don't need a pre-show and everything. I don't know. What do you guys think?
I thought it was pretty good. You know, I was carrying the lantern around, so I was focused on that to see how they interact with the lantern. So I wasn't focused on the maze, but it was a pretty good maze, I guess.
You thought they were going to scare you more?
I thought so. I didn't know how interactive it was going to be.
Yeah. Paige, how did you do? You're our screamer. All right, touche. How about for you? Was it good?
I loved it. Yes.
You loved it? Yes. Let's go. It was a good one. It was definitely a good one. The skin thingies with the hair. So good. So good. Guys, they're in their haunt stuff like that. This just looks so stinking good. Scare somebody. Classy. Wow. This is nice to find you with your t-shirt, I'm gonna be honest.
Oh, the Furies have come! Get away from me.
Last. Wow, that was a good slide.
I love the sliders.
The sliders are so nice. They used to have that at Busch Gardens, but they stopped. Huh?
I swear they used to spark.
Yeah, they used to have sparks.
I'm sure it's dangerous.
Oh, dang, guys. Oh, wow. This is good. This is so good.
This is really
This might be my, I mean, I'm talking too early, but this might be my number one of all the scare stuff so far. Just based off of this one, it was really good. Gosh, and the scare, like the haunt areas, they were staffed really well. They jumped out at you. Like, this is pretty good. I don't know. Wait, there's a maze with the cars?
That was the best maze because you would drive around in the cars, and if you hadn't have any in the back seat, they would just like jump in the back seat and like pop up and scare you. And you drive
Why
around.
don't they do that now? That would be so much fun.
It was the best maze. I loved it.
Oh, King's Dominion.
Grimm
Okay, up next, Grimm Woods. Okay, what were your thoughts on that one?
really good. I think it could be really bad understaffed, but that thankfully was staffed, and they do really good with what they have to work with.
Yeah, oh, for sure.
They blend in well, and they know where to hide. Like even at the end sign, I don't remember them ever really hiding back there, which would be perfect.
Yeah.
So this time they did. So.
Yeah, it was good. It was staffed really well. It was just really well done. I enjoyed it. Top of the line, definitely really good. Oh, that's... Dang, this place is like intense. Oh. Oh, that was good. Okay, Blood Bayou. This one was always one of my favorites because it was just done really well. And so we'll see how this goes. That one was definitely really great. like a higher level, higher quality. It's almost like a voodoo slash, what was it? The gory house, slaughterhouse of the other one. I don't know, what are your thoughts?
It was good. Way better than Bush. I like how they can get all in your face and follow you and stuff versus Bush is very limited.
All right, trick or treat. Let's check it out. Okay, that was a good maze. I mean, these are just non-stop really good mazes. What are your thoughts?
It was good. There's a lot of characters and just Halloween stuff. I guess that's why it's called trick or treat. There's witches and I don't even know what there really is. It's just different stuff. It's
Yeah,
cool.
for sure.
Very detailed house.
Yeah, and like all these, like I just think they're doing it well. They're doing the scares well. I think that's the difference between maybe Scare and some of the other ones is that like there's misdirection involved. So they make something shake on one side and then they jump and scare you. Like I don't know. This is a really good day. This is like the first weekend, so they're probably going really ham on it. But it's really good. Yeah, first weekend of it. So I mean, again, this is starting. I'm thinking this might be my number one. I don't know. For vibes, Howl Scream is better on the vibes maybe because everything's so themed really well. But all the mazes here are just pretty top line so far. So we're gonna see. We're gonna go to another. What's our next one? Fear. Okay, let's go over there. Carnival Frontier. Let's go. Oh, this is okay. Their scare areas so fun. Oh, this is so dynamic. Like it adds so much like energy with having all these stilt people around you. I wonder how their legs feel. Wow. All right, say it.
I'd rather pay the $10 and do the mazes here than the free ones at Hollow Screen.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe this is a good night. I don't know. Maybe they do end up getting understaffed. But tonight, I'd rather pay $10 than the free ones at Hollow Screen.
Yeah. No, seriously, I would agree 100% because it's just like everything's just done. I don't know. It's worth it. The $10 is worth it. That's what I would say. $10 of this haunt thing is worth it. I mean, might be able to do 20. I don't want them to do 20, but if they did, I'd be like, all right. Because this is what I was expecting for Scarewinds. Now, Scarewinds had Conjuring, which is amazing, but this one, wow. Like, big wows. Dang, look at this one. Fear. Okay, so that one was a little slow, not as many people, but what they did with less people was better. They had a lot of, like, video projections, some of those, but also it had some people, like, there's one area where there's, like, tons of dummies, but the live people were stood in the dummies. And so there's some moments where it was just, like, I don't know, it was really good. It was really good.
It was okay. I'll give it like a like a 5.
Yeah, not as good as the other
It's
ones.
supposed to play on your fears, but there's really like only like 2 fears. So like the room with the dummies is like what fear is that? I don't know what that is. But,
yeah.
But
It could have been done a little bit better.
It's just
but
weird.
It's a weird. Yeah. But it was pretty good. They did good with, if they were like, hey, we're low staff tonight, I'd be like, all right, I can see it. It was pretty decent for low staff.
Yeah.
But I wish there was a little bit more people in there. But good. Still good. Still good. Better than probably 3 of the mazes at Scarewinds.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, probably.
All right, let's go through that one little area back here. Then we're gonna go through the Jungle Cruise walkthrough area. Ooh, the color of Timbale. Okay, we have another haunted area, so we will see how this goes. We walked through this earlier, but we'll see if this is really that scary. This was not anything too special. Our shirts look sick, they do. Okay, that Jungle Expedition little area, you don't really need to do it.
Back then, it used to be the whole Jungle X area. In front of
Really?
the volcano, in front of Rapterra, the whole thing before it was called Jungle X, but that used to all be a big scare zone.
I didn't know that.
And now they've secluded it to one little
It's one little tiny section. It's good for kids.
Kinda weird.
I think it's a good kid place.
It's very hidden, too.
It is hidden. But the cool thing is that, like, I don't know, if they were like, you know what, let's not do jungle areas so we can do better on the other mazes, I'd be like, no, I get it. Because all the other areas are just top of the line. They're really good. Really awesome. So our last maze is going to be the corn one, right? We're going to go to the corn maze. Let's get over there. We're going to do Boo Blasters, which would make sense for it to be open because it's Halloween, but it's not. This area of the park is just like, there's nothing going on. It's eerie because there's nothing here, you know? Like, so it's a little weird. So it's cool, the lights actually work with the songs. So look at that lighting package inside all the fountains, so cool. Okay, the CornStalkers, I think that's my favorite one of the whole night. Like just when you're walking through the corn areas and you get to see like just how well done it is. Like it's very tight quarters and you smell the corn. So it's, I don't know, a lot of the haunt people were like hidden behind a lot of stuff. And so it was great. Like that's one I want to do every single time. But I missed that one last time, so I don't know. What about your thoughts?
It was really good, considering it's an old one and people have been kind of wanting it to go away and getting tired of it. But no, that was really good. There was a lot of actors. They blended in. A lot of them didn't jump out, but I knew they were there. Like they just didn't scare me.
Oh, I didn't see them. I didn't see some of them.
Well, there was a lot that were blended in that didn't try to scare me, but I knew they were there.
Yeah.
So like I knew there was an actor there.
Yeah.
But they were blended in really well, and it's really tight. It gets kind of confusing. I thought I was going the wrong way at one point.
Yeah, like no, it's a great one. So overall, I would say this is amazing. I would go to this Halloween thing every single year. I mean, Busch Gardens because it's like proximity-wise. Busch Gardens is still good. I'm not trying to hate on it. I'm just saying this gave me that scare level that you would hope to get.
There's nothing at Busch that I would want to go back through in my visit, but I actually would want to go back through that.
Yes.
Monster Manor.
Yes.
Not Monster Manor. Monstercon
yeah.
at least those two.
Yeah, because this is just, I just think they do it really well. So far out of all the ones that we've done, this is probably my top one as far as haunt mazes. Scarewinds was, yeah, but our Scarewinds probably is my bottom one. Busch Gardens would be next one up, and then this one.
Busch over Scarewinds?
No, I'm talking about as in like just the haunt mazes.
Really? Okay.
But Busch Gardens one, maybe because I know the Busch Gardens one so much, and they're not new to me anymore.
Yeah.
So I don't know, that could be it. But nonetheless, I'm going to Tampa Bay next week, so it should be fun. We're gonna do their Halloween stuff. So that'll be like our fourth and final maze of stuff and festivities, Halloween things. But talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys later. I left Richie only because I thought I was getting a migraine. And so, but yeah, so what are your thoughts?
Overall, really good. I think it's themed very well. My favorite was F.E.A.R by far. I think that it could have used more actors like we talked about, but the fact that you could get into a room with a bunch of bodies, you can't tell which one's which, you don't know which way to go, it really adds to it. So,
No, for sure. Okay, is this better than Great America?
for sure. This is, by far better than
Even the toy area? The toy?
better than Toy and Great America.
Oh, and we're talking about Great America in California, by the way. But yeah, okay, so, all right, so what are your thoughts?
F.E.A.R
that's because I got lost and I was like ducking. I was just trying to get out of there. I started screaming because the body started shaking, so I thought they were real. And I was touching them. You're not supposed to touch the monsters. And I'm like, I'm breaking the rules. But we got out. I think my least favorite was the one before that. Richie, what was the one before it was F.E.A.R?
Oh, is that the house?
Richie. No, not the Bayou. The Bayou.
The one after. Oh, what's the one after the Bayou?
We did before F.E.A.R.
Did before F.E.A.R.
Not the Bayou. The clown one.
The clown one. Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
I feel like that one could have been more clowny.
Yeah.
And then I have to say my least favorite out of all of them would be this one, but I'm allergic to corn.
Oh no! I didn't realize that. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh.
That's all good.
Okay.
But either which way, it was decent. And I don't like Halloween, so.
Yeah,
there
for
we
sure.
go.
Okay, so before you talk, what are your thoughts? What is your favorite one?
I like them all.
You like them all, every one.
Every one of them.
Okay, cool, perfect. Okay, well, awesome, great. But nonetheless, like, yeah, no, I agree. It was just, this is a good experience. It was really good, so. Success. He has finally got his Dippin' Dots after a long live. Thanks for watching all the way through, and here are some other videos that you can check out while you're here. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.